All right, number 14. Of the following, which is closest to the ratio of the total number of insects in all three colonies in week 8 to the total number of insects at the time of initial treatment? Okay, so we're trying to find the total number, or the ratio of the total number in week 8 compared to the total number in the initial treatment. Okay, and this we might have to approximate a little bit from the graph, okay, but it shouldn't make that big of a difference. Okay, so let's find a total for week 8. Okay, and then it's all three colonies. So I had to add up all three colonies to find a total, right? So week 8, we should have the first one in colony A is a little bit less than 20. Okay, I'll just call it 19 maybe. Okay, for colony A is right here. We're looking at a little bit less than 20, so it'll be 19. And for colony B, it seems like it's halfway between 0 and 20, so that should be about 10. Okay, and then we'll just try our best to eyeball this, right? Okay, so this is like halfway between 40 and 60, maybe a little bit higher. I'll just say it's 51 then. Okay, so then we'll just add them up. You can type in the calculator. 19 plus 10 plus 51 is about 80. Okay, more or less, it's about 80. And then compare that to the initial treatment. So that'll be week 0. Okay, that's when we first started the treatment, right? So week 0, that's the initial point. So what we have to do is let's add up the software total. Okay, so colony A at week 0 is 80. Colony B is a little bit more than 60, right? So I'll say maybe 65-ish. And then this is a little bit less than 60. I'll say maybe 50, 58. Okay, so we can just go ahead and add them up. 80 plus 65 plus 58, 203. Okay. Yep. And then we want the ratio of the week 8's number compared to the initial number, which is week 0's number. We'll just divide them, right? So it'll be 80 over 203. This should be the ratio. We can try to simplify this a little bit. Right? If you divide this in the calculator, it's about 0.394, which is very close to 0.4. Right, it's very close to 0.4. Then we can go through the answer choices. We can just go and say it's approximately 0.4, right? And so A is, we can just go through the answer and divide them, right? And see which one give us 0.4. That'll be our answer, right? So we do 2 to 5, 2 divided by 5, that's actually 0.4. So that works, right? 1 to 4 is 0.25, 3 to 5 is 0.6, 1 to 2 is 1/2, so 0.5. So the closest one had to be A. All right, so that should be it for our final answer here.